Hello and welcome. Hope everyone is safe and healthy. In current times, due to unpredictable circumstances, we have seen a huge imbalance in supply and demand for several products. This impacts retailers as they are not able to deliver products on time, leading to dissatisfied customers. So how can these retailers make their current process more efficient? Today, I will show a quick demo on how Oracle Cloud Services can be leveraged to help improve supply chain process. Let's imagine I'm a retailer named Happy, selling several products across different stores in United States. I can log into my company's website and look at the products getting sold real time. As the transactions takes place, the data gets pushed into autonomous data warehouse, and I can look at my visualizations using Oracle Analytics Cloud. Now, to perform machine learning on this data, I jump into Oracle Datascience platform. This is a one-stop shop for data scientists to develop, manage, and deploy machine learning models. Here, I am accessing data from my autonomous data warehouse and performing linear regression to predict the demand for tomorrow. Once my model is developed, I convert my scikit-learn model into ADS model. Now ADS is a native Python library available within OCI Datascience that contains tools covering the end-to-end lifecycle management of predictive machine learning models. A huge advantage of converting the model from scikit-learn to ADS is that it automatically generates function files that I can use to deploy my machine learning model. So now I can log into my compute instance and deploy my machine learning model using the function files. With just fn deploy command, the model is deployed and I can check that in my cloud UI. As you can see, the Docker image for my machine learning model is available right inside my registry, and the function itself is deployed in my test application. Now to access the model using a REST endpoint, I use API Gateway. The beauty of this is that I can do everything from the UI by just selecting the function I want to deploy. I can go into routes and select the type as Oracle functions and select my function name as well. By just doing that, I get a REST endpoint that I can consume in my front-end application. Finally, as Happy, I can log into my website and look at the predictions. The front end here is Oracle Application Express, which is consuming the REST endpoint of machine learning model. Now, to make Happy really happy, we schedule the complete cycle to run every day so the model gets trained on new data and our function gets updated automatically. I can even trigger notifications on my email as and when the new model is deployed. This is done using events and notifications. I have a rule in my event which says as and when the function is updated in my compartment, an email is sent using notifications service. Now the good part of this demo is that all the services that I described till now can be accessed from one common interface, which is Oracle Cloud Interface. On the menu, you can see all the services I mentioned like Compute, Autonomous Data Warehouse, Data Science, Oracle Analytics Cloud, as well as a lot of developer services like functions, API gateways, and application integration services like notifications and event service. I know it's a lot to consume, so let's simplify it with a high-level architecture diagram. So as first step, the point of sale data gets ingested in autonomous data warehouse, and I as Happy can visualize my data using Oracle Analytics Cloud. Next step, I use Oracle Datascience platform to access data and perform machine learning. Once the machine learning model is developed and the function files are generated, I deploy that model using Oracle Compute Instance into Oracle Functions. So finally, I have my Docker image in the registry and Oracle Functions deployed. Now to consume my machine learning model, I leverage API Gateway to create a REST endpoint which is finally consumed in Oracle Apex, and Happy can directly look at the report and get the predictions. Now the complete cycle gets repeated every day, and as soon as a new function is deployed, I can get notifications using events and notification service. Here is the example of a notification. The benefit of getting notifications is to get an assurance that every day the model is getting trained and deployed again on the new data that's getting generated. Finally, we know the actual reason why Happy is really happy. I have provided links to all these different Oracle Cloud services in the description so that you can look and play around. Thank you, stay safe and stay healthy.